We're back, everybody. We're going to do activity 2 here. And activity 2 is part C, calculate delta H for propagation step 1. That's what that means. Delta H for propagation step 2. And this is delta H for the overall reaction. RXN is a short form for reaction. And we have some of the numbers we need here. I want to remind you, this was negative 431. We looked it up when we looked it up for this. It was for all of them, right? So that's one of our numbers. I don't believe we looked up the number for a tertiary CI. Tertiary CI. Okay, so just tertiary CI. This highlighted one is secondary allylic. That's no good. Isn't this the tertiary CI right here? Yeah. And I'm making that bond. It's a product, right? Is it negative or positive? Negative 213. I'm going to write it there right now. Negative 213 in hot pink. Negative 213. Notice I don't have units there, but I'm going to put units when I do my answer, okay? What about braking? We have one of them. Braking, we have the 389 already here. But you have to break ICL as well, right? That happens in prop 2 right there. So prop 2, ICL, you see it here? 211, and you're breaking it. Endo or exo? Endo. Positive 211. Positive 211. So delta H prop 1. Are you breaking any bonds? If so, well, the answer is yes. Give me a number for the one bond being broken. It's on the screen already. Positive 389. Are you making any bonds? Look to the product. Is there a new bond there? HCl wasn't there before. What's the number for HCl being made? Negative 431. Careful. Signs are just as important as numbers today. This is a no calculator class. How do you subtract a bigger number from a smaller number without a calculator? What I do is I take the big one, subtract the small one, and then the sign will be wrong. You put a minus sign in front of everything. So 1 is a 2, then a 2 is a 2, 8 is a 4, and that's a negative 42, right? Check your work too, just to be safe. Add 42 to 389. It should be 431, right? 42. Whoa! You do me like that. Okay. Kilojoules per mole. Really, the answer is negative 42 kilojoules per mole here. I know it's a little tight. So that reaction, is it endo or exothermic? Exo. More on that later. Prop 2, same story. I need a breaking minus a making. Delta H, prop 2. Breaking ICL. It's on the screen, top left, isn't it? Plus 211. Tertiary CI. What do you got? Oh, this is going to be easy math this time. Negative 213. I got a negative 2 kJ per mole. We're only supposed to do part C in this activity. That delta H RXN is the easy speedy one. Negative 42 minus 2. I took the two numbers as is. Just took them as is. As is, if you're Arabic, right? And then you get negative 44. Did you like that, Aziz? Yeah. I had a student who, his name was Aziz, he was introducing himself. He says, hello, Dr. Whitaker. My name is Aziz Tiba. Aziz, no warranty. I thought it was pretty fun. Okay. So overall, it's a exothermic reaction. And later, like very soon later, does that make any sense? Very soon. We're going to find out why prop 1 is the fast step and why prop 2 is therefore the rate determining step. Yes. That'll be like a non-activity lecture that will be like 2 minutes. You ready? We're going to stop.